y'all.
Hey, welcome back to Two Old Crows Homestead. Shelly here, and we are, by we I mean Randy and Josh. We're working on a new way to water the pigs. So anyways, they're working on leveling out the ground here because we have a big IBC tote that Randy got some tooling or whatever parts for to make a waterer for the pigs. And they're trying to level out the ground right here, so that will sit there. And we're gonna put concrete pavers or blocks or something in here and set the IBC tote on top of that. So, yeah. Pigs are very destructive. And they are, they have tore up the one, if you notice that we have a video a little bit back of a barrel, which that barrel is right there. And he put pig nipples on it, and it lasted, how long would you say that barrel lasted? About 6 months? Something like that? Before they ripped the pig nipples off of it. So, that's what we're doing this weekend. New projects all the time. So this is the IBC tote. And, he bought this to go on the end of it. It's a gator lock, and then that will actually go down into smaller pieces and then out to a pig waterer nipple thing. All right. Randy's gonna explain the pieces that go to the nozzle that come out of the IBC tote.
Okay, this is a 2-inch gator lock. You can stick it on the end and just lock it down.
And this is because our IBC totes come with 2-inch nozzles or something that come out of them.
This is
Wait a minute, does this come in different sizes if they need a different size?
3-inch.
Okay.
This is a 2-inch to 3/4. This is the 3/4 adapter.
And so these have to be glued together with plumber's glue or whatever.
This here goes down to 3/4 to 1/2. This is a 6-inch, 1/2-inch double-threaded pipe on each end. Then this right here is just a 1/2-inch coupling. That'll screw on there. Then your pig nipple will screw into this end right here.
And that will take it down from whatever your nozzle is coming out of it and make it usable. Can we hold this?
Ooh, that barrel stinks.
Yeah, it's got funky stuff in it.
Hang on, you're hung on a rock over here.
Be careful. Do you need this one? Because that's got a gator thing on it.
Okay, the one I've already put together is inside.
Yeah.
Here's our piggies.
Oh, hang on, we gotta get the cord out of here.
We don't have any piglets anymore. We sold them. We had a guy that came and wanted to buy all 8 of them. So, piggies are gone. Wilma's actually, I don't know if you can see her on the video, but she's laying right in there.
Yeah, where you going with that?
Take it your way.
I could be wrong, but I don't see that tote fitting through that entrance right there. But we'll see.
It'll be tight, but it might go.
Well, I'll tell you, get it up there, we can carry it.
I think they can get it in if they carry it, but I don't think it's going to come in on the cart. Much discussion going on right now.
I'm so sorry.
You got it?
Oh, here they come.
Nope.
Do y'all want some help?
It's
What if you guys lift it over the other side where the fence is?
He told me it was too heavy.
hang on. Let me think.
Will it come in if you straighten it up instead of it being cockeyed?
Well, there's a post in the ground right there that's keeping it from being straight.
Gotcha.
Look.
Watch your hands.
Hang on. We got a post in the way. We gotta try to twist it. I can't. Nope. This corner post right here is in the way.
Will it help if Crystal comes and helps?
Maybe, but
You think you can lift it up?
this is the problem right here. This one here, come right in.
I don't want that taken out.
Yeah.
That's the post we use for the gate.
What wasn't there?
This big wooden one.
I think all three of us can lift it over the...
So I might just back it up and come over this and get straight, and then we'll go straight in. Like I got ants crawling on me.
They're all over those blocks right there. It's Fred. He's a big old boy. He likes sitting in the water tub, even though he's too big for it. He used to do it all the time when he was little. He doesn't realize that he's a big old boy now. Oh, here they come.
What? You got it?
No.
Coming around, Crystal. That's actually not pretty.
Y'all are the bomb.
There. But I'm thinking now we might not have had to pick those boards down.
Cooper, go.
Are y'all having a meeting out here?
Just think it go straight through?
No, we get in there.
I think Fred is expressing his displeasure. I don't know. He seems to be acting a bit crabby.
Who?
Watch out for the wire,
He's
Andy.
been doing that all morning.
Hang on. Okay, I'm over on my side.
You're hung up on, you're dragging the wire. There it goes.
Where's it going?
All
It's
right.
gonna sit right here. What are you growling about, dude?
Corny.
Is that what it is?
This look.
Where's it need to go?
Well, I'm not videotaping that.
Going through the fence?
Not until he gets the stuff on it.
Okay.
Okay, well,
Oh,
when
he
is
missed
that
it. He
gonna
just
be
stuck
on
his
the?
nose through the hole.
I don't know what to tell you, buddy. You're not going to get in there with her. We don't need any piggy babies right now. And I have a feeling that Miss Piggy right there. Where's my...
This
there.
one?
I'm trying to point. Right there. She just walked that way. I have a feeling she may be pregnant.
Or pot belly.
Yeah.
She's quite large. To be her size.
Yeah. I mean, she is half pot belly, but... Alright. So... he has the gator lock on there with the PVC, whatever these things are called, like plumbing hardware, and then the pig nipple down there at the end. So he's putting concrete blocks down under here.
So that. Okay, we got to go up because the nipple's got to go inside.
Yeah.
Okay. No.
Too far?
Bring back. Okay. One thing I'll lay a block right here. Stiffen this up.
You mean something to brace it up underneath it? Yeah.
There we go. Put two on the back there.
Alright.
A little more.
Right there?
See, still got a slope to it. Okay.
There you go.
Put it
That's
back,
good.
Josh.
Oh, should I push it back out?
No, it's fine.
I'll put a level on it here. Yeah, it's got a slight slope.
Going downhill.
Yeah.
You got the
So-
level app?
So one of the reasons that we wanted to put this, we wanted a walkway through here, and then we wanted to put this under the awning to hopefully, because this is a white IBC tote, it's going to grow algae, which kind of sucks. But hopefully keeping it under the awning will give it a little bit of shade, and maybe that won't happen. We may have to come out and scrub it out every so often, get the power sprayer and spray it out or whatever. Or we may have to spray paint this bad boy black, because I've seen people doing that too. There's Fred. Fred's out there trying to get to Wilma. Because now that her babies are gone, I don't know if she's back in the heat. I'm not sure what's happening, but they're trying to get to each other. Match made in piggy heaven. Yeah, Fred's trying to get to Wilma. So Randy just stuck a block underneath there to kind of brace that a little bit better so the nozzle doesn't go up and down. It does have a little bit of flex in it, but we don't want them to be able to just like rip it out. So we're hoping that this works. Now he's going to fill this. And so our next project is going to be, we're going to put gutters up here and out here on the awning, and then on the other side down there where Josh is standing up above, and then we're going to run a downspout down to this, and hopefully we'll be able to start filling this. How many gallons is this? Is it 350 or 300? Yeah, so this is 300 gallons. This is going to put a big knock on our water bill. Oh, look, we got water. Yay! But right now we're just filling it with the hose. That's going to take a while to fill up, but hopefully once we get the gutters up and everything and all of the water catchment, this will start being filled with rainwater. Miss Piggy's out there enjoying the water coming down. Everybody's just hanging out. Yeah, God bless you. Have a great day.